Make a home more appealing to buyers. Making your home appealing to buyers can be quite easy if you know what to do. There are improvements that you can do on your house that will not cost that much but can raise its value. You need to know what these improvements are so that you can make your house more attractive to buyers, and even raise the value of your property. For example, although adding pool can be a plus factor, installation of a medium-sized swimming pool can cost several $1,000s, while the actual increase it will add to the value of the house will only be about $3,000. Below are some ideas on what improvements you can do to make your home more appealing to buyers. Appeal to the buyers from the outside first. Have your house repainted before you sell it. Make sure that your garden has been trimmed and cleaned, the plants are healthy and blooming, and your lawn is trimmed. Repair and slash or replace worn gutters and roofing material. Install a driveway if you do not have one, or repair the current one. Check the outdoor security lights and replace worn-out bulbs. Repair any broken portion of the fence around your property. The house should look aesthetically sound. The first impression that potential buyers get when they see your house will have a great bearing on their positive decision. If your house looks good on the outside, it tells the buyers that your house is really cared for. Inside your home, that kitchen is the first place that home buyers will check. Make sure that it is very clean and there are no cracks on the tiles, mildew and stains on the walls and counters. The sink should be very clean, and the faucets are working beautifully. There should be adequate lighting, and the walls are painted in welcoming and bright colors. You should have a complete set of appliances that are in good working condition and properly arranged around a kitchen. There should be ample counter and storage space that will be very important to a buyer with a growing family. Install a second or a third bathroom. The cost of the installation of an additional bathroom can be recovered 80 to 100%. Another bathroom will be a very welcome additional and will be a very appealing item to home buyers. The convenience that an additional bathroom brings to a family cannot be discounted. Make sure that your garage is clean, structurally sound, and have shelves for storage of car accessories. Clutter around a garage can be a turn-off for potential buyers. They always want to see clean surroundings. The basement is another one of the rooms that buyers want to check thoroughly. Have your basement checked beforehand to see if there is any sign of dampness anywhere in the basement. Dampness indicates that there is some defect in the foundation of the house that can alert a buyer to the soundness of your house. Also have your drainage system checked to ensure that there are no broken pipes and leaks that can cause dampness inside the basement. Have your house inspected for termites and dry rot inspection. This is another plus factor that home buyers would like to see. Make sure that you have the inspection report ready so you can present a copy to a potential buyer or the realtor. All these home improvements add up to overall resale appeal of a home. The initial investments that you will incur in making your home more attractive to home buyers will be recovered in full or a major portion of it. Think of all the things that you will look for in the house that you will and apply these to improve the condition of your own house that you want to sell.